Tired of typing on your remote? YouTube TV's voice search feature lets you find your favorite shows and channels in seconds. In this guide, we'll show you how to use voice search on YouTube TV. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Activate voice search. If you have a voice-enabled remote, simply press the microphone button located on the remote. If you're using a compatible smart device, like a Google Assistant, you can say, "Hey Google, open YouTube TV to get started." Step 3. Speak your search query. After pressing the microphone button or activating your voice assistant, speak clearly what you want to search for. You can search for shows, movies, channels, and even live events. For example, say, "Search for The Office" or "Find sports highlights." Step 4. Refine your search. Once YouTube TV displays search results, you can use your voice to narrow down your search further. For instance, say, "Show me comedy movies" or "Find new episodes of my library." Step 5. Use voice commands for playback control. You can also control playback using voice commands. For example, you can say, "Play the next episode," pause, or skip ahead 10 minutes while watching content. Bonus tip. If you're using a smart speaker or voice assistant, you can link your YouTube TV account for even more control, like changing channels or pausing content from across the room. Make navigation a breeze with voice search on YouTube TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube TV tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.